Good morning, Ben All with Bellamax Realty Group at Keller Williams. And today, guys, we are at a just unbelievably fantastic property. We are at 3523 Crossgate Circle East in Colleyville. And this house is situated right in the middle of just an unbelievable neighborhood. It's called Woodland Hills. So on the north side you have Glade, on the south side you have Cheeksburger. And in the middle of this neighborhood is just probably one of the best park systems in the entire community here. So fantastic location, easy access to all the highways and everything. Shopping is just right around the corner as well. Great walking trails, just an amazing location. And this house, guys, it absolutely stands out. Talk about just subtle elegance and being just well maintained. Well, this is the property. We've got almost 5,000 square feet. We have 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, a half bath. The only thing on the upper level is a huge game room, entertaining area with a spiral staircase that you can see behind me that comes down from that game room to this backyard. So let's start here in the backyard. What an unbelievably fabulous entertaining space you have back here. Very private, great pool, just a totally open area. And as you see through the video, you'll see just this massive, wonderful outdoor entertaining area. This house also has a full bath down here that is accessible just for pool use. So just an unbelievable setup, great entertaining, enjoying the space. So let's go inside, take a look at this house and see if we can't make this one yours. So when you come in the front door, take a look at these beautiful metal iron doors that were made, custom made for this house. Once you come in, you just see the open expanse of the high ceilings, the wood floors. You have a very elegant entryway. On either side has the formal dining, formal living area. The house boasts 3 fireplaces, one in the formal living, one in the family room, and one in the master. All have been recently updated with new granite tile work around them. Right in the center, you'll see we have just great entertainment set up. You've got a wet bar with 2 openings for serving and a wine closet. So great entertainment space. And then as you come in, as you look at both the formal living, formal dining on either side of the entry, what a huge living area you have. So talk about an open floor plan, high ceilings, another fireplace. The family room frames the backyard, so what a beautiful view of the outdoor living space, the pool, and the beautiful private backyard. Open to the kitchen, updated counters, new appliances, all new lighting throughout this house. Opens to the breakfast room as well. You can see just very tastefully done and beautifully set up. Off to the side here, you'll see the entry into the master. You've got a private seating area in the master with its own fireplace, very comfortable space, and then just a huge, elegant master bedroom. Look at all the crown molding throughout the house, and then you'll see it continues into the recently redone master bath. So you've got a beautiful setup here. You've got dual vanity, dressing area, huge master closet with custom closets set up inside, and then a completely separate wet area that has the brand new tub, new shower, beautiful, beautiful setup for the master. Entirely private on one side of the house. As we go on the other side of the house, you'll see the hallway here. You've got a bedroom at the front that is currently being used as an office, so flexible space. It does have a closet, so it is one of the 4 bedrooms in the home. It has its own private bath. And then you have 2 additional bedrooms, both good size, connected through a Jack and Jill bathroom. Again, all the bathrooms have been redone in the house. As we then go upstairs, you'll notice the laundry room, extremely large laundry room. As you go up the stairs here, you'll notice that we've got brand new carpet. It's all been freshly painted. And then look at the size of this game room up here. Talk about opportunities for just endless fun. Could be used as a 5th bedroom. There is a closet. There's a little kitchenette area up here as well, and a half bath. And then as I mentioned, the spiral staircase previously, you'll see the spiral staircase here as we head out of the upstairs game room area. What a great view. Look at the view of this backyard from here and just see the entire setup that we have back here as an entertaining space. I also want you to notice that to the side we have an electric gate feeds into the side entry garage back here. And we have a 4-car garage, so this is a rare find as well. You've got 3 bays on one side, and then the 4th bay is actually set up as a workshop. So guys, that's the tour for 3523 Crossgate Circle East in Colleyville. Again, it's right at 5,000 square feet. House is absolutely spectacular. Please reach out if you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to see it. Ben All, Bellamax Realty Group, 817-992-1886. And just a post note, please take a look online or give me a call. The list of updates and features in this home is just too long to discuss. So that is something I'd love to get over to you and have you take a look at.